Good afternoon again, everybody. This is Dan with Senior Ministry E-Bike Nation. You guys normally don't get to see this part of the trail. I'm headed back home right now, and we're probably about 7 miles out, so I'll probably video a better part of that, but I'll put this on, upload this for tomorrow's video on Friday. Or maybe Saturday, depending on how much editing that I get done on the video. But I want to show you this part of the trail as well, because you don't see this very often. Going this way anyway. You see part of it going the other way, but I wanted to tape a little bit different perspective on the trail. The rain finally quit. Brightening up a little bit to the west, so that's good. As you can see, we're coming up on the 911 memorial up here. You can see that big piece of steel up there that's bent. Not bent, destroyed. And that, I think that one come out of the North Tower. But that's a day we'll never forget. Get a little better view of it right here. Nice little memorial they have up there for that. Someday I'll stop and we'll go over that a little bit, but every time I go by that, I just think about that day, where I was at that time when that happened. Everybody that's old enough knows exactly where they were at that moment. It's pretty amazing. Or any other major thing that happens in the country or the world, you kind of know where you was at that point in time. Yeah, we're down to about 42% of the battery. That may be a little more than what it's showing there, but we've come almost 15 miles. So I don't expect to have 20%, 25% of the battery left time I get back. Got about another 6 miles to go here. I'm not going to change the battery out today. I don't really need to. Actually, I'm going to swing back around here and I'm going to go a little bit of different direction here. We're going to be on the road a little bit. Haven't been this way in a while, so we're going to ride this. It's kind of a little entrance road into the trail. But I haven't been here in probably a year coming this way, so do something a little bit different. I won't quite get the 20 miles going this way, but a little bit different scenery for you guys. Yeah, I got a little intersection up here I got to watch. I'll be crossing over onto the main road once I get up here. This actually ends the bike route right here. Guys, two people courtesy here to let me cross here. Right along the road here a little bit. A little different view for you guys. I don't ride the road very often. I'm on the trail 99% of the time. But this has got a wide enough area on the past the white line here that makes it a lot safer. I'm I'm going to bump it up to pedal assist 4 here. Pick up speed a little bit. Probably get up to close to 20 mile an hour up here. But I've got bright clothes on so people can see me. Usually when I ride the road like this, I'll wear a bright green construction smock. That's probably what I'll have on next time I ride the road. That way the visibility is much better for people. Because I tell you, you get hit by a car out here, it ain't going to end well for you for sure. Got to really be careful, people texting and on the phone and whatever. So I'm looking through those rear view mirrors an awful lot, keeping an eye on people coming up. Best case scenario, if they come up on me, I'll go down in the grass. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little different perspective of the ride today than what I normally do. I think we're coming up here on Grange Hall Road, which is one of the roads we pass on the bike trail, which is to my right now. But again, it gives us a little different perspective of the trail. And there's a wide enough berm on here, it can almost make it a bike lane. Since they repaved this, it made it really nice. I feel very safe over here. Again, one thing nice about an e-bike, you don't need a license for it, you don't need insurance. And you're certainly saving on gas. So these bikes can get you to the grocery store or whatever. Just make sure you carry a bike chain. And like I mentioned, I've got a little security alarm on the bottom side down tube on this bike. So if I have to step away from it for a couple minutes, I set that alarm with a remote. And if you just jiggle them handlebars, that alarm's going to go off. It sounds like a car alarm, it's loud. Is it going to stop somebody from stealing that bike? No. But they'll think twice about it. But if they want to steal your bike, they're going to get it. I'm doing right at 21 mile an hour here. It's pretty flat. We get up here a little ways here, about a half a mile, I'll be turning right, and we'll be going back into the Platte from the opposite direction than what I normally ride. But you can see ahead of me, it's a very safe road here. But you still got to be on the lookout for cars. You got to do defensive driving on these bikes just like you do in a car. You got to think, what will I do if he does this? Unfortunately today, a lot of people drive their cars like they want to drive offensively. And that's when things get really dangerous. Yeah, we got the sun trying to peek out here. That's nice. I hope you're getting a good view of the road here. I think you are with the camera the way it's angled. I always I carry a chest straps, and this is a GoPro 9 camera, in case you want to know. It's a really steady camera, so I've got it mounted to a chest strap, so that's the view you guys are getting when I'm riding on my bike. Cars are buzzing by me pretty quick, and I'm doing 20 miles an hour. Sign backer says no texting, it's the law. Boy, that don't bother people when they're driving. They just text right along. Yeah, I'll be turning right here. And I'm not going to ride on the sidewalk. I'm going to stay on the road up here. Actually, that sidewalk is really wide enough, but I'm going to stay on the road. We get a lot of people riding on the sidewalk, and it is illegal. But I can tell you what, I'd rather get a ticket riding on the sidewalk than I would getting hit by a car. Guy told me I was getting all bikers a bad name by doing that. It was a very aggressive comment, you might say. So I deleted his comment, and I deleted him as well. There's no reason to go on the channel and be nasty on people. And 99% of them people are not subscribers anyway. So they like to troll these channels and find little bitsy things that they can reply negatively to, and that's what they do. If anybody's got a large channel, they understand that. Like I said, I don't get offended if somebody wants to put a viewpoint down, but don't start bashing me on my channel. It's not going to happen. This is my channel, and I do what I want on it. Within the YouTube guidelines, obviously. There's certain words you cannot use. My battery shows down to 16% now, and that's probably about right. I've been riding a pretty good clip here on pedal assist 4. Up here past this bridge is going to be the bike trail that I would be coming from the other direction if I took that route. I'm almost getting the same mileage. I've got 18 miles right now, and I normally do 20, so that's pretty good. That was a nice little ride on the road there. I'm gonna pull up here and shut the camera off here in a minute. For safety and security reasons, I don't video where I live. So I just go ahead and shut the camera off. So I'm glad you got to see that little bit of road ride there. It was safe anyway. But like and share and comment on the video if you like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.